Cursor AI versus Cursor Agent. So, which one is better? Which mode is better? Let's get started. So for the purpose, well, the agent mode for the normal one is it's ideal for precise, targeted edits with explicit instructions, like editing one file, and then instructions with anonymous multi-step tasks across files, code-based exploration, terminal commands, and web API tools. Now, for the capabilities, well, they have the full access for tools which run shell, modify files, search code base, execute test sites, which is the YOLO mode. Now for the workflow, it breaks down tasks, explores and plans, executes and verifies across multiple files. Now, when should you use each mode? So for the agent mode, you'll use it when you're tackling complex multi-file tasks like refactoring, setup, factor build, and many more. And also you want to use it to automate test execution and error fixes. It has up to 5 times productivity gains on larger tasks. Now for the normal mode, you want to use it when you know exactly which file and which part needs change and great for precise edits. So in conclusion, agent mode is the powerhouse for multi-work files and workflows, scaffolding and automation, and the normal mode excels when your choice need tight control, precision and speed on smaller edits.